Maybe just an overview of how you played, winning the result after so long without getting 3 points.
Yeah, I think we've been passing through a bad batch in the last 5 games that we have played. It's just unfortunate that results have not been coming. But in most of the games that we have played, we have dominated. Even today, we could have scored, I think, early in the first half. We had, I think, about 5 to 6 corners in the first half. Not easy game. Maybe also the pitch made it difficult for both teams to play. But we are grateful that at the end of the day, we get maximum points.
Thank you.
All right.